here we are, all snug as a bug in the AYGO. But we've got the handbrake, needs adjusting. I know I like to have quite a bit of play in the handbrake to make all those linkages nice and free, but this one's gone just a little bit too far. About 12 clicks. It's about 6 too many for me, so I'm just going to adjust this up for you, show you how we get on with it. So from above you can see we've got one 10mm, one 10mm. So we're going to just whip them two out. We just need to lift this up slightly, and there's a 10mm adjusting nut behind here. One thing to note, these generally seize up because they go through the bottom of the car and they're right above the exhaust. They get really hot and corroded. They're a bit of a pig to get to, but if I click this on here and see just how tight it is, oh, that's tight. That feels like it's going to snap. I'm forgetting these are going through the bottom of the car, so if they are, yeah, corroded like that one has, it's just sheared off. That's a real pain, that is. Now, rather than snap the other one off, I might just be able to lift that up and do it from there. Okay, so here we are. If I just lift that up there, you can actually see now the adjuster. If I get 10mm long extension, sorry, deep 10mm on a short extension, just lift that up and slide that in onto that adjusting nut there like that. Put the ratchet on it and we'll just turn it up a few turns. Oops, let's keep going. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's good enough for me. I like that. So let's whip that back out again. And it's a shame about that breaking off, but there's not a great deal we can do about it. So I'll just screw that back down again. That one's really tight, that is. And obviously that one. That's just sheared off bolt there. Hey ho, that's life. There's not a lot we can do. It's not going to go far. So there we have it. Handbrake all nicely adjusted up. Bit of a disappointment with the sheared bolt, but I'm not going to lose any sleep over that. There's nothing we can do. When these seize, you can't heat them or anything because obviously it's all plastic, you'll melt it. If you were really fussy, you could just put a cable tie through the back and just pop a little hole in the back rug and cable tie it down, but it's still got that bolt in the front holding it all in, so I'm happy with that. It's not a problem. But we show the adjuster, which is nice and easy to get at once you get that plastic case lifted up at the back. If that's been of any use to you, drop me a comment and like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.